Kansas City electrical panel buzzing, scorching, or smelling hot? Keep the cover closed, move away, and shut off power only if the main disconnect is safely reachable. If there is smoke, fire, arcing, a severe shock risk, or heat spreading through the wall, leave and call emergency services. Do not remove the dead front, tighten terminals, reset a breaker repeatedly, or spray water near electrical equipment. From a safe distance, note which circuits lost power, whether lights dim when equipment starts, and whether a breaker trips under a repeatable load. Photograph only the closed panel exterior, service label, and visible damage without touching metal or standing on wet flooring. One overloaded branch circuit, a damaged breaker, and an undersized service require different fixes. Ask the electrician for measured load findings, observe defects, panel and service ratings, and which portions are repair, replacement, or capacity upgrade. Kansas City requires permits for most electrical work. Minor items such as replacing a switch, receptacle, or fixture without altering a circuit are listed exceptions. A service panel upgrade is specifically treated as permitted work, so confirm the permit number and inspection responsibility. For an existing 1 or 2 family home, the city says a licensed contractor can generally obtain the panel upgrade permit without full plan review when the smaller scale conditions apply. Ask the electrician to document grounding, bonding, service coordination, labeling, and final inspection. To locate an electrical service provider, call 877-320-4994. Again, that is 877-320-4994. This service connects callers with independent local providers. Availability varies by location.